Here's how you can set the PIN to be entered on your Moto G77 without pressing the OK or the Enter button to unlock your phone. So what do I mean by that? Let's get started. If you're tired of pressing OK to unlock your phone, use the quick access like this here and go to the quick settings right there. Once in this area, you'll go down and look for the privacy section. So for the Moto G77, it's going to be the security and privacy. As you enter here, if you have not set up your lock screen yet, you'll most likely be prompted to set it up here or go to the device unlock area here. Once here now, you can choose a screen lock type here from either option. Tapping here one time will take you to these set of options here. The one that gives you the option to enter the PIN number without having to press OK is this one right here. Once you go into it, you will notice that when you type in the first 4 digits, and I'm going to do something simple here, you do something more secure. When you reach the 4th digit, you'll notice this option becomes available. But you can't select it unless you have 6 numbers in total. So I'll just add 2 more numbers here, and you'll notice now it is going to be selected. You don't have to select it if you don't want to. You can just uncheck it if you don't want it. And instead of pressing enter to unlock, you won't have to do that anymore. You'll just put in your numbers, and on the 6th digit, your phone will unlock. So let's go ahead and test it out together as I'm gonna reconfirm my number, and please, you put something far more secure than this here, all right? So we're gonna do this, confirm it. It's gonna say your PIN is all set and all ready to go, and just press done here for now. I'm not gonna do anything with this here. I'll just lock it to quickly show you how this works. So when we're ready to unlock our phone, our PIN section is gonna show up like this, and we'll put in our number, and instead of having to press enter or OK, after you type in the last digit, your phone will be unlocked instantly once you put in that 6th digit of your PIN password. And of course, as always, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.